After the United Kingdom began rolling out taxes equivalent to a few cents on single-use plastic grocery bags in 2011, plastic bag consumption decreased by up to 90%. But taxes are subject to what economists call the rebound effect. As the change became normalized, plastic bag use started to creep back up. Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? A. Percent such. B. Percent and such. C. Percent such. D. Percent such.
So in question 21, there were some taxes equivalent to a few cents on single-use plastic grocery bags in 2011. That time the plastic bag consumption decreased by up to 90%. And then because of the rebound effect, this change actually became normalized. And plastic bag use again started to creep back in. So which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? So if you said C, well done, that is the best answer. The convention being tested is punctuation use between sentences. In this choice, the period after percent is used correctly to mark boundary between one sentence, that is from after to percent. That will be one sentence. And then such, then we start with a capital letter for the next sentence, and such until backup, that's the other sentence. So this period is marking the boundary properly. So punctuation used between sentences.
Why is choice A incorrect?
Choice A is incorrect because it results in a comma splice. A comma can't be used in this way to mark the boundary between sentences.
Why is choice B incorrect?
Without a comma preceding it, the conjunction and can't be used in this way to join sentences.
Why is choice D incorrect?
Choice D is incorrect because it results in a run-on sentence. The sentences after to percent and such to up are fused without punctuation and or a conjunction.